So I'm taking this car with a buddy of mine, and already took a lot of tools here because we're gonna need them. So I'm gonna grab some gifts for the guy, and it's gonna be his birthday basically today. He's turning 23, and then there's my tools right here, and then I got some impact gun and jack stand and everything. Yeah. Huh? You want to bring it? I mean, that's fine. Yeah, you can bring it just in case, you know. I don't think we're gonna need it, but you know, let's just do it. Hold on, let me help you. Let's open this. I decided to take this too.
Pick up that,
I think so, the alternator, yeah.
We should? Yeah.
Here. Oh, you got the coupons for the Harbor Freight.
Oh,
That's nice.
my parents. Oop.
Oh, they're always getting them, right?
I
don't know what happened because I keep like, I used to, you know, get the coupons, but right now there's, for some reason, I don't have any, you know, anymore.
Yeah.
I don't know if they like forgot about, you know, I think they're supposed to send me another one, but I just don't see that anymore. So I have to probably call them or something, but
I get it once in a blue moon too.
yeah.
You have membership, right?
I do have it, yep. Okay guys, so I just finished work and now we're gonna go to the birthday party, and also we're gonna go and pick up the alternator probably for the Honda Odyssey. I don't know if you saw any videos, but you know, I did probably like 12 videos of repairs on that Honda Odyssey, and we're gonna probably have more of that. So if you check out my playlist, you're gonna see that. And the car keeps not dying out, but basically it doesn't start. It just, you know, starts clicking. So basically, if you jump start, then it's fine. So it's either alternator or battery. So I'm gonna test that first, but probably, you know, O'Reilly has the alternator stock, so we're gonna get that, and you know, we're probably gonna, you know, try to fix it tomorrow or something. But just hopefully we're gonna have fun at the birthday party, and should be all awesome. And basically, you know, it's gonna be like, it's probably like 20 miles away from here, so I'm gonna try to give you some shots of that area. It's really nice, you know, they have nice nature and stuff, so hopefully it's gonna be awesome. So stay tuned for that.
You take a picture?
No, I'm just taking a video, you know. It's nice weather today. Oh, you see this Chevy van right here? That's the one I saw at the shop over there. You know, they were probably changing the engine or something.
Oh, is that the same
The
customer?
body has to, the body was like separated from the frame.
Oh, what am I going? I'm going to...
Yeah, you're going the right way, yeah. So, on our way to pick up the alternator, guys. Here we are.
Am I okay with the print?
Huh? Yeah, you're good.
Okay, you want to go to cut stuff? I'll wait for you.
No, there's a guy over there now.
That's not what you want.
No, I saw the girl last time. The cashier's office. Not the office, you know. See what they have. Oh, nice.
Whoa, what the fuck?
What the heck are they driving?
That's a dangerous pass there.
Yeah, it is. A funny thing.
That's funny.
Yep. Look, the grass got like green like crazy fast. You know? It's awesome. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. The Ford Mustang. Wow, no turn signals, nothing. He just wants to go fast. Look at this nice place. It's pretty cool here.
This is another rich area.
Yeah.
Now he can't go, he's blocked.
Yeah, look at that. He's trying to get out.
Oh.
So this guy was speeding, right? And where did he go? It's the traffic light. Look at that. It's right over there.
He needs a wash.
Yeah, he needs a wash really badly. There's that guy. Yeah, it's the wheels that I used to have, you know, on my car.
You can't see from here, but
Yeah.
it's very nice. This is my route to go.
That's elementary school?
Elementary, and then the
That
next
looks
one
big.
is high school.
Oh, wow.
Libertyville. It's like country, right?
Oh, yeah.
Can you believe I always go home or I go home from
like that.
Sunday? Close the shop. This one. This is a garage.
Oh, that one right there?
Yeah,
What
the
happened
corner
to
used
it?
to be Marathon. This one, the corner.
The Marathon?
No,
Wait,
it's a
isn't...
garage. Look at that.
Wait,
See?
I thought Marathon is a gas station.
It is, but they had a repair shop there. See, it's no
Ah.
more.
That's crazy.
You like this area?
A lot of nice, yeah, very nice places,
This
yeah.
is Round Lake High School coming up. My kids didn't go to this school. They went to a different school.
Different?
In, Grant.
Rosedale.
Right here. This is Round Lake. See that one?
Oh, yeah,
the
right
back.
there, yeah.
Round Lake High School.
Yeah. Thing, yeah. Ready? Okay, I don't know. We just came to Erwin's place now and trying to see what's going on with this van. I see this battery. Yeah, it's 11.3 volts, so it's pretty weak. It's probably not gonna start. But right now I can't really test the battery because I want the battery to be fully charged. So I'm gonna probably have to jump it. But first, let me try and turn this key. They have the key. Let's get the key and let's see if it starts. Maybe it's gonna start. If it's not gonna start, then. Yeah, nothing. The lights come on, but nothing is going on, so I'm gonna have to jump this thing. Let it run. The jumper pack. It's not gonna open. I'm gonna take these jumper cables. Okay. We're gonna move the car here, so we're gonna jump this car, and then after it charges, then we're gonna, you know, test this battery really quick. This is my restored headlight. Looks great still. So I'm gonna put the link in the description below how I restored this headlight. It used to be yellow. So open the hood, open it up. Where's that thing? Yep. Okay. And now we're gonna wait until this thing is gonna start either or not start. We'll probably give it some RPMs. Yeah, just give it some RPMs. Guys, so we're basically ready to go. We were ready to go to the birthday party, but turns out that we have to work on this van really quick and see if it starts. I'm gonna check if it's the battery issue or alternator or what, or parasitic draw or something. So here, you grab the key and go try starting it. So let's see if it starts. Hopefully it does. Okay, so it started. I'm gonna remove the jumper cables. Okay, remove those. That's it. Now we're gonna let it run, and after that I'm gonna check the alternator now. grab my Chinese multimeter. Yeah, we don't really have any battery lights on the dash or anything like that, so let's see. Put it on, set it to volts. That. Okay. Alright, so we're just gonna let it run right now. The alternator is good for now. And then I want to charge this battery and then test it after that. Okay? Okay guys, so it turns out that the alternator is fine according to my Chinese multimeter. So, you know, so most likely it's gonna either be the battery or parasitic draw, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna be the battery itself. I don't know. It's actually, this battery is 1 year old, and yeah, that's kind of weird that it got bad. But I mean, like nowadays with all those batteries, like they all go bad probably. I mean, you know, it's not a factory battery, so yeah. So I'm gonna let it run for a couple more minutes, shut it off, and check the battery with this other tester right here. So off and try starting it again. See if it starts. Yeah, it actually started, but alright, so shut it off and then test the battery really quick. 8, 9, 10, 12. Yeah, so it's really bad. So the needle was right here. So it's no good. Battery's junk. As you can see, it's already, I'm not doing anything, not putting any loads, and it's at below 12 basically. So this battery is no good. Yeah. As soon as I put the load on, it goes like to 6. Yep. So that's it, guys. This car needs a battery basically. Okay. One more time, I wanted to show you this beautiful area. So it's getting dark, so I apologize for the lightning, but so yeah, I'm waiting for Erwin right now, and we're gonna go to the birthday party, and then tomorrow we're gonna work on another car, which you already saw in the videos, which is a Toyota SEQUOIA. So I'm gonna take care of that car too. Needs lower ball joints and needs inner tie rod, so I'll do that. And yeah, as you saw, I brought all of the tools that I need basically, so we'll be doing that stuff, and hopefully it's gonna be awesome. Arrived to the AutoZone, and I need to pick up the inner tie rod. Hopefully they have it in stock, and it's really early in the morning. It's 5 minutes until they open. So I already have the ball joints, so we're gonna slap the ball joints as soon as we come back. But hopefully they're gonna have the inner tie rod also, so let's go and see if they do. So the AutoZone doesn't have anything. I called O'Reilly, they didn't have anything either, so I had to order one, and I'll come back to O'Reilly for the inner tie rod. Right now I'm at the Walmart shopping center, and I have to pick up the grease gun because AutoZone had the grease guns, but they were like really expensive and not worth it. So I'm gonna go to Walmart right now and pick up the grease gun. Okay guys, so just picked up the grease gun and I'm gonna go and start replacing these ball joints, and I'm gonna have to wait for the inner tie rod because I have to come back for it then. Okay, so just going back, destination. It's pretty nice weather today. Finally, no more winters.
Progressive. Visit progressive.com. Progressive Casualty Insurance Company and affiliates. Price and coverage. Pennsylvania listed.
Hi, this is Simone Biles. When kids believe in themselves, it's amazing what they can accomplish. I believe I could be a pilot. I believe I can be a professor, a doctor, a poet. I believed I could be a gold medalist. And thanks to the love and support from my parents who adopted me when I was a foster kid, I was able to reach my dreams.
There are 400,000 foster kids.
So I'm all ready. It's the car, and I just brought the grease gun and everything. So here's my grease gun, and deassembling it right now. And I'm gonna start and get ready to basically put those ball joints in, and then after that I'm gonna go and pick up the tie rod. So I didn't film anything from yesterday's birthday party, but there was a lot of people and they're still sleeping because it's like 8 a.m. in the morning, and I'm here in the garage working on the cars. So anyways, I'm gonna show you around this area how everything looks, and then we're gonna move on to the ball joint. That's how this thing looks here. Okay, this is the garage, and I got all the tools right there, so I'm gonna start working on it. Now I just gotta remove this bolt, 24 mil, and 4 19mm bolts all the way around here. Guys, new ball joint installed right there. Everything is greased up, tightened up. I'm gonna put the wheel back on and jump on the next side. Okay guys, so just installed everything here. So new ball joint here. Now I'm just gonna run to the parts store, get the inner tie rod because it's getting bad and should replace it. Okay guys, as you just saw, I just picked up the inner tie rod. I'm heading back to the garage and I'll replace the inner tie rod and just do a quick alignment or whatever, and this truck is gonna be pretty much done. So that's my goal right now. So it's pretty nice weather today, really sunny, and you know, feel like going to the beach. But you know, hopefully maybe next week. We'll see. Okay, so we're almost here. I'm gonna turn here. Now this thing is basically loose. I can take this thing out. If I can just do it with one hand somehow. It's loose, so I can just spin it out by hand now. Okay, there you go. It's my tie rod, and it has play in it. Can't really show you on the camera, but it has play, so we're replacing it with this new one. Okay. Let's try it again. So I'm just already put the boot on. I'm gonna use the zip tie on that end. This end has the like a C-clamp. So I'm just turning this nut in, and at the end I'll just put the tie rod. And I count the turns as 23, so I'll just put 23 turns, and I'll be close to my alignment. Put this nut on, tighten it, put the wheel on, and let's see if I can do a quick eyeball alignment before I send it to alignment shop. Okay guys, so the truck is all ready, and you know, it's all fixed pretty much. You know, put the inner tie rod in, I put the 2 lower bolt joints and stuff, so it's pretty much ready to go. And it's really nice weather today, so I might go and take this truck for a ride and just you know go to some places around here, because I haven't been in this area before that much, so it's really nice out here. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna end the video on this right now, and stay tuned for more videos. Subscribe to my channel, and I'm ready to buy probably a project car, which is gonna be an old Mercedes, so stay tuned for that, and it's gonna be awesome. Yeah, and I appreciate you stopping by and watching my videos. I'll see you next time.